Well, good morning, everyone. Uh, in this next video, I'm going to show how to take a document and upload it into the PureI program onto the actual asset that we're discussing. Okay, and so we'll just jump right into it to show how to add documents. You may have certain PDFs of things, inspection guides, or other maintenance plans or other things like that that you may want to actually put on particular assets so you can have them for future reference. So we'll just jump right into it. And I'm making this one for a specific group of people, but let me just show you right away. So when I log in, I go to the home screen and then I go to the equipment. Again, I'm going to go to the actual equipment that I am in discussion about. Might have helped if I'd have picked it. Okay. And then I go to the actual asset piece of equipment that I'm talking about. And you can see that I am on what's called the home screen of the asset itself. This is the nameplate screen. This tells you a lot about the facilities, the description of the asset, certain tag numbers, certain unique identifier numbers that allow me to know that I'm on that particular asset. But you'll also see a series of tabs, specifications, if I had any in there, statuses, PMs, if I had PMs, the reliability of that asset, risk, other assets. But also, there's one called documents. Okay, and in that, I'm going to take a document. So we had someone perform an inspection on this vehicle, and I now have that inspection in a PDF form. And what I want to do now is load that PDF into onto this vehicle for that's the asset here in onto this vehicle for future reference, so that I can go back and look at, let me see all the inspections that might be performed, even if I don't have them in an automation form and I have them in a paper form, that I can scan that paper or I had saved that paper to a PDF, and I can put them up there and I can always have them ready and available for future history to look at. So I clicked on, let me go back and show you. So I clicked on this little paper here that's basically saying I want to put a document into this file. So I click on it. Ignore this. This is to be cleaned up. But so you can see that I'm on the load screen and I'm going to choose the document that I want to do. Now, I already have that document where I can easily access it. It's here. And I know that it's on that Express. Okay. So I do the upload of it. Now, you also need to give it a title, give it a document type, and the title that I'm going to give. I'm kind of going to copy that and say inspection of 46007. Okay, and sometimes I'll duplicate that too. I actually erased it. Okay, copy it. Okay, so and it is, I picked the document type. I do that for a different type reason, but you should say, is it an Excel document? Is it a Word document? Is it a PDF? So that in the future, certain things you're looking for. This helps the program help you do some searches. And this is, I'm going to say this document number, and you give it your own personal number to 123. I'll just put it that way. And this is version 1 of it. And I pick who I am. who's uploading this document, creation date, it automatically put that in there. So now I can save that document. Now, if I go back to my list, you'll see now that that inspection is in there. So if I go back to my main menu and I go back to look at that Chevy Express, then I can look at the documents that's in there. I can choose to look at it, and there it is. I can see the actual inspection paper form that I did, and see that. Okay. And the reality is, it's just that simple. Remember, the process is go to your equipment, go to your hierarchy, pick where you're going to go. Okay. In this respect, I'm going into that airport location, and pick the asset that you want, find the equipment, go to the documents folder, and then remember the paper form. So if I was going to do it, I'm not. So I'll just go back, and you can upload that document there. Just wanted you to see that. And it's just that easy. And once you save it, it'll be there for future reference, and you can put multiple documents in here. It's just that easy. Thank you. And if you have any questions, I'm Wayne Morgan with TRI-SSI, TRI-SSI.com. Don't hesitate to let me know.